To don come like this things dey happen. Now another matter don dey ground. So we came all the way from Warri to Agbo. Na Agbo we dey so. And this lady brother na see my post. Na I come control me say make I come interview her sister. Say her sister dey hospital bed. Say no be small thing. Say they dey put 2 pounds of blood for her body a day. 2 pounds of blood for her body a day. And the next morning blood don finish for im body. And we don come here now to come interview her. She's a money lender. She's a money lender. She dey na moku ask her make she talk wetin be her problem, wetin bring her to this problem wey she dey so. So my sister, no talk your name, just go straight to the point. Your problem wey you say you wan share to my audience, you dey find advice, you dey find help. So go straight to the point, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Okunasco. Thank you for this platform. Actually, now my brother showed me the video. I can't tell and say, make it contact you. I be money lender. I be the business when I dey do. I dey lend money give people. And this business, I don dey do am for the past 15 years. Now I don dey do this business. And this business when I dey do so, I get my own juju, my altar for inside as when I dey use join dey do this business. If I give you money and I see say you get money well, you be person wey get something, I go come carry your name from the form wey you fill, put for my altar. I go come do medicine so that you no go fit pay me back. So and this business now I don dey do.
Why you dey do that thing now to chat the person name make you for no pay you back? Why you dey do am like that?
No be everybody now dey do am too. Now for people wey be say I look say they get property and they get money, so I'll come carry their name put for the altar. As I put am, I do the enchantment. They go come sick, problem go come enter their life. They go come sick from one problem to another. They no go come fit pay me the money again. If they no come fit pay me, I go come collect the property when they give me.
Okay, so the property where they take they stand as collateral, abi?
Yes.
So if the property na big property, now you dey do all these things. So
yes, if the property na big one, if I say they na big people, I'll come do them like that.
Okay, continue your story.
So I don dey this business. I don big well for this business. Inside business, I don travel all over the world. I don even travel go India. I don go there go buy more powers. And this business, I don use am take collect young boys destiny well. I use am dey sleep with young boys. After they sleep with me, I go come take white handkerchief take clean my body, put for my altar, so that I go dey get more power.
So these boys now, you be sugar mommy to them, you dey give them money, abi how you dey canvas the way you fit dey use them?
I be sugar mommy to them. I go just give them money so that they go gree do wetin I say make they do, make they lick me. I'll come take hanky cleaner, put for my altar, till they give me more powers. So now be wetin I dey do. So I don do this business so tey you can't get one particular man wey come for me, can't use the house as collateral. As usual, I can't carry a name put for altar so that he no go fit give me the money back, make I for collect the house. But this man one day, this man come say he no see the money when he go give me, which is the money when I give him. So he say, and the time when he supposed give me the money, it don't pass. He come meet me say he don go different place, say dem tell am say na me na him dey make am no fit pay the money. I even use police sef take arrest am make he come give me my money. This man, in the process of the arresting, I come say okay, I come tell the police dem say
Wait, so when the man come meet you now, say him don waka go many places. They tell us now he dey hold him destiny wey no fit dey see money, dey work money to pay you back, abi?
yes.
So you now you come arrest her because he tell you that kind thing?
Arrest am say because he tell me that thing, and he say he never still give me the money and he no wan still give me the house. So now make I come arrest am. I come still tell am for the station say since he no fit pay, make he give me the house. Then as usual, as agreement. But this man too stubborn. He too stubborn. No. He say no go give me the house. He say he must work to make sure say the money na him go give me. The thing tire me. I even go my just man, all those people do mercy for me with the name. Make the forfeit even still try to do am, make he forgive me the house. They say make I leave am, make he work the money, but me I no gree. So for the police station there, as he dey show stubborn, inside my mind now I come say if he no, since he don't show stubborn, he saying the truth himself, say no go leave the house for me, he go die leave the house for me. Na the decision when I come take for that day be that. As I reach my house, I come carry him name as usual, put for the altar, come send medicine, come cite the medicine, go give am. And then this man come sick. They carry him from one hospital to another.
That man so wey be say you borrow money, you lend money, give wey you don't go hold in destiny, make for no see money pay you so. And you cause now they hear the matter so. When I say things that look, if you are seeing my video for the first time, if your eye fit see this video, I beg share this video. Please share this video. Things they happen. Share this video and follow this page. You will learn a lot. This woman and a money lender. The person now will be say if they tie everybody destiny, anybody collect money for your hand, you best not see money pay. So that thing where you drop as collateral, so she will go sit down on top, she will go collect them. This man now so no gree for them. Now she say she talk for her mind, say since this man no gree leave this house for him, say the man go die leave the house for him. Say constant sickness enter the man. So tell us, the man got sick.
Yes. Got sick, they can carry him. They carry him from one place to another. Na stroke, and sen go give her. Sick, so they one day at the time I even come here say some other things, little things when they get sell am for the sickness. For one hospital to another, they carry am. He can't even dey shit for body. Say come dey shit for body. They get up. They no fit dey. Even they fit dey do anyone. Even come dey half death. Now people they carry am for one place to another until he can finally die.
Innocent man. Innocent man. Continue your story, madam.
As he can't die now, the house I can't collect am, I can't sit down and put as the way I did they do am before for people. I can't collect am. So I can't collect the house finish. Since that time, I collect the house come reach now. I can't dey sick. I can't begin sick for one to another.
Since the time we take collect the man house, so now you can begin start to the sick.
Yes, so
what are the man? They don't bury the man.
They don't bury him. Yes, they don't bury him.
Okay, tell us where you the sick, so where and where they don't carry you go.
From hospital to hospital. Don't carry me go different hospital from place to place. Even the adjustment when they do mercy for me, they come tell me say na the man that man when I collect the house, the property, so when die na the man spirit dey trouble me. And every night I dey always dey see the man for my dream. Even physical I go dey see am. Then e go dey come worry me, I no dey sleep for night. And this one man so, dem dey don tell me say the only solution na to see go the grave. Say make I go beg the man for a grave. Oh,
The man wey don die so wey you kiss so, say make you go, the only thing na just man dey tell you this one so.
yes. And this sickness so, I don dey sick for 8 months now. The past 8 months now I don dey sick. Everything when I even gather from this business, I don sell am finish. I don sell everything finish. From one hospital to another hospital, the big hospital when they no work, they don carry me go all of them finish. And still the thing no wan go. Every day, right now, it even dey the point of now so blood. Then they put for my body.
This blood, so tell me about this blood.
The blood so, I no go fit dey say I no take am oh. Every day 2 pounds of blood they give me. And they even give me 2 pounds finish. They go break. They go still come say single blood no dey my body. They go come put another one again. Now so day to day I think they take 2 pounds of blood.
So wait all the hospitals where they go so, which test, wetin be the thing wey they talk say they do you?
They no see anything no.
Jesus.
Nothing.
You don't see anything. But hear the matter so. Everybody head no be the same thing. No be everybody use am for. You cannot. People head strong. You go look where they do your wickedness so. You go look for the do your wickedness. When I see the matter so, they put 2 pounds of blood for our body every day, and they go break. They'll say blood on their body again. The man where we say she use just take it so the man they see the man for dream, they see him for life. They say make you go the man graveyard, go apologize. I go there tell me go do for the man graveyard.
It's make I go beg her. Say if I beg her, he go forgive me, but person can't tell me say if I still go there, say I go die. I no want die, oh. I no want die. I beg. I know say I don't do bad things. Don't do things, bad things. I don't do bad things. Yeah, I don't destroy innocent life, but I don't want die. I beg, make una help me, oh. Now make I call you, oh. I beg, make you help me find another solution. Find solution for me. I don't want die. I beg, I beg, may they forgive me.
Now the year so now don't see the matter so. Now don't see the matter with the ground now. Now don't see the matter with the ground. No. My uncle will get police station. Now money lender we collect money for. No be pay. Now they collect the police station. Now my uncle did that.
You understand? But now line with that, the just do this thing. Yes, they don't do. Come here, look for us.
That money lender. My uncle did that. Money lender.
Listen to get the monster. Hey, nobody say not to say happy. For us,
Money lender.
Don't do. It's not life thing.
Money lender.
Why you do? Must put yourself together. Yeah, put yourself together. Let me try. Maybe what should be there right. Let me shake your uncle. At the same time,
Now money lender. My uncle collect money
I
from.
know, Baba.
They collect my uncle police station. Now my uncle take that. That was the only breadwinner where they help us and our family. I think money lender.
You dey cry online, bro. You dey cry online. Relax. You dey cry online. Get there. No lie. We dey call us for you. More this man.